And what problem? U is equal to xy plus yz plus zx. Then v is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. W is equal to x plus y plus z. These two problems are very good. This is maybe you written w square is equal to 2u plus v, correct?
Yes,
Relation.
sir. Perfect, sir.
Then u is equal to x plus y by 1 minus xy. That v is equal to tan inverse x tan inverse y means v is equal to tan inverse u got tan v is equal to u. That is the relation. Then determinant you have to prove 0. That also you should remember, correct? Now we go for the um, next topic. Maybe this is radius of curve, that is application of differential calculus. That we start. That is what? Fourth unit. Now we start fourth unit.
Sir, in third unit, whether the last topic is simultaneous difference equation, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Simultaneous, that is we have differential equation. PA, first you have to find CF. Okay, yeah. And PA. To find CF is what? Wait, I will come. 1 minute, 2 minutes. Wait. What is date December 3, today?
Yes, sir.
December 3rd and class time is 11, 11:40, yeah? In the class 10:40 to 11:30, yeah? Okay, I don't want to start the new chapter, just I will revise, you see. Now, what you have done actually, you have actually differential equation. Now you will have f of d into y is equal to some function of x. So this said, if you have any function, you can think for pi. Otherwise, pi is equal to 0. So first, what you will do, f of d means what? You can operator shape, you can write. Put d is equal to m. You will get auxiliary equation. Correct? Correct or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Equal
Yes,
to
sir.
0. Then maybe you will get d square minus 2d plus 1 is equal to 0 means what? Put d is equal to m means what? You may have m square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. This is m minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So means what? M is equal to 1 comma 1. So solution is always y is equal to cf plus pi. Correct? Complementary function plus particular integral. When you will think for complementary, means for every problem you will have complementary function. Put d is equal to m, you can write auxiliary equation equal to 0. Then you can write m is equal to 1 comma. Suppose roots are not repeated means what? Two roots I am getting 1 comma 2 different roots. So cf, how you will write? C1 e to the power of x 1x plus C2 e to the power of 2x. Correct? Suppose roots are repeated 1 comma 1, two roots are repeated. So how you will write? C1 plus C2x into e to the power of x. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Clear? Then suppose if we have a complex roots means what? Alpha plus r minus I beta. Suppose 1 plus r minus 2i. So real part is e. So this you can write e power 1x. Sorry, e power 1x, open the bracket, c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. This is the story for the cf. So they may tell a alpha plus, suppose real part not 0. Suppose you have a function like this, m square plus 1 is equal to 0. So m is equal to plus or minus psi. Plus or minus psi means what? Real part is not there. So what you let? C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. This is CF only. I am talking about CF only. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, when you will get PI actually, Suppose right side, if we have any function, maybe this will have f of d into y is equal to some function. This side, if we have any function, you can think for pi. Pi, how we will write? Pi is equal to f of x by f of d. Okay. Now pi first case is what? Pi for what cases I studied? Pi for e to the power of ax. So how you will have e to the power of ax by f of d. So put d is equal to what you will do? D is equal to what? Sir, D is equal to what you will do? Are you there or not? Pi for e power ax f of d
Replace
means what
D
you
by
will do?
A, sir.
D is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
a, provided what is the condition? F of a not equal to 0. Correct? Huh? Suppose if f
Yes,
of a is equal to 0 means what? This denominator can differentiate with respect to d. One x you can introduce. Again, 2 times means what? Another time you can differentiate. This is what e power ax case. Clear or not? Like this you can revise. Then you can do the problems. See the problems. Star already is done. You can take the problems. Then next case is what?
Sin AX
Pi.
or cos X.
What?
Sin AX or cos AX.
Pi for Pi for what? Sin ax or cos ax. So what you will get the same story? Sin ax by f of d. Now sin x or cos x means what you will do? Put d square is equal to minus a square. Only d square only. You can make it square, you can give. After that, maybe you will have denominator, you will have like this d plus 3 or d minus 3. Then what you will do? Conjugate, multiply and divide by d minus 3. Then d minus 3. So this is what d square minus 9. Now this is what d of f of x means what? Differentiate with respect to f of x 3 into f of x. Then you can do. Can you able to do or not? This is sin ax or cos ax. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Suppose. Here also denominator 0 means what you will do? One x you can introduce, then differentiate. And another thing you can remember, important note is what? D of f of x means what? D by dx of f of x. Okay. 1 by d f of x means what? Integration. Integration of f of x. This you can remember. Okay. Next, what they have done? Pi for what? Polynomials. Okay. Polynomials means what? You may have like this x power 4 plus x cubed plus some 5 by f of d. So denominator, how you will prepare? Tell me. Polynomial means what? Denominator you can prepare 1
1
plus
plus
or minus
something.
f of d. Correct? Huh? This you can prepare. Maybe this some polynomial you will have x power 5 plus something. So this if you bring to numerator means what? It's become what? 1 plus or minus f of d. What is means? Plus means plus, minus means minus minus. Whole power minus 1. This is f of x. Pi I am preparing means what? We have one formula. 1 plus x whole power minus 1 formula is what? Minus into plus means what? Minus. So alternate to plus minus you will get 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x power 4, so on. Suppose minus means what? Minus into minus plus means what? All are plus. Getting or not? So after expanding, what you will do? Suppose this is a polynomial degree, maximum degree is d. X square means what? This expansion up to valid d square only. D cube terms are waste. But my expansion will go up to infinity. D square x square only valid. D cube x cube means what? 0. 3 times differentiation means 0 or not? Getting or not?
yes,
So expansion you can carefully can do. Suppose 1 plus d whole power minus 1 means what? I am have x square means what? You can expand up to d square only. Next, but series will go up to infinity. But all terms become vanish, 0, 0. So carefully you can apply. See the degree of the polynomial x square. You can apply up to d square terms. maybe d plus 2d whole square means what? Inside d square also means that term you can take. Remaining terms will be waste. So what terms useful, that terms you can take. Correct? This is pi over polynomial. Next type is what? pi for
E
e
power
power
x.
into f of x. This time thinking, discussing only pi only. Now e power ax you can take outside. Change d by what?
D plus a.
D plus a. Correct? Now as usually, this is sine cos means d square, polynomial means 1 plus f of d. And another formula is there, very, very important formula. Suppose, but special case, x into sin x, x power 1, or x into cos x means what? This you can write x into f of x you can take by f of d. This how we will do. In formula they will do.
Type for real part, imaginary part, sir.
What?
Like
No, wait.
e power I theta equal to cos theta plus I sin theta.
Not like this. Not like this. There is one formula. 1 minute. 1 minute. And that is no. That is what x into x by f of d minus f dash x by f of d whole square. Something will come. That is x power 1 only. చిన్న book ఏందమ్మా? Mass అది book ఎత్తున mass. Wait. I will tell you. Well, timing can stop. I will come back this. Okay. Yeah. Now next what you are discussed actually. Variable coefficients. Variable coefficients means what you will have actually. X square d square x d plus 5 into y is equal to sine of log x. Correct? In this case, what you will do, if you see means what, put x is equal to what? E power z. Z is equal to what? Z is equal to what?
Log x.
Alright, very good. Log x. Now x square d square become what? D dash
Theta
minus 1.
into theta minus
That's
1. Oh,
okay. They are using theta. I'm using d dash. Okay, you can use theta only. Okay. Notations say different maybe. The meaning theta into theta minus 1. Okay. Somebody will theta. I will use d dash. Then xd is what according to our logic? Theta. Suppose if we have x cube d cube means what you will have? Theta minus 1, theta minus 2. Where theta is equal to who? Who is the theta?
d by dz.
That is very, very important. This equation I'm changing to what in terms of theta means what? Dy by dz I am writing. Solution you can write in terms of z. Don't write x. E power 1 into z, e power 2z. Then you can write finally where z is equal to log x is equal to e power z like this. Clear or not? Don't write in terms of x. But if you theta solution is what normal differential equation will get. That you can write in terms of what? Z you can write. Carefully can remember. Any doubt?
No,
Clear?
sir.
Okay. Now, next thing is what? After that, what you are done? Very, very important topic, compulsory question. Variation of parameter. These things at least you can skeleton, you can recall what is the syllabus inside, what is the problem. Next you will read automatically. Headings you can recall. See, when you use variation of parameters means what? Normally this differential equation into f of x. This f of x already I done. F of x means what? E power ax means I can do. Correct? F of x sin x means I can able to do. Then f of x polynomial means I can do. Then f of x is equal to product means what I can do. E power x sin x cos x e power x f of x. Then x sin x means I can do. Other than this, maybe you have f of x is equal to tan x. Am I given any formula for tan x? No. Am I given for any cot x, any secant x, cosecant x, inverse x? That time you can think for variation of parameter. Clear?
Yes,
What
sir.
we have done polynomial, this PA method, if this is misses means what you can think for the variation of parameter. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So variation of parameter, how we will remember means what? They maybe maximum will have second degree only. They will give f of d into y. This f of x I'm calling as a capital X. Maybe secant x, tan x. Maybe you will have this type of the solid question. D square plus 4 into y is equal to what? This you will get 4 tan 2x. Generally, they will give d square plus a square is equal to a square tan ax. Correct? So the standard question. Here a square means here a square. A maybe secant and cosecant. These only three problems are very, very important. Now, this is capital X is I am writing. Now we can find anyway, you will get CF. Degree 2 means what? Two constants you will use, C1 F1x plus C2 F2. That is C1 e to the power of x, C to the e power 3x, or C1 cos x, C2 sin x, like this. Correct? Any doubt? This is what?
CF
C,
complementary function.
CF. Then PI, how you will find means what? PI is equal to, remember, PF1 plus QF2. Now, what is the P you have to find out? What is the P? Tell me. Formula. P is equal to
Integration of minus f2x
minus
by
of
Wronskian.
integral. See, with the P, who is there here? F1. So don't use F1. So write F2 into this capital X. Into this capital X, tan x r, secant x r, cosecant x r, e power x logs, divided by F1 F2 dash minus F2 F1 dash 1 2 2 1 dash dash. Correct? Into dx. Any problem? Then find P. Come back and substitute it. Then solution you can write y is equal to Q. What is the Q formula?
Integration f1x by Wronskian.
Okay, Ranskin, whatever may be. Q F1 by F1 F2 dash minus F2 F1 dash. Clear? This is it. Next type of the equations are what? Simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations means what? You may have dx plus y is equal to e power t. X is function of t, y is function of t. Y plus, sorry, x plus 2 dy is equal to some sin t. Now what you will do, this you can operate it by d, second equation, then subtract. Then you will get some x is equal to cf plus pi in terms of t. Once if you get the x, to find y, best solution is what? This fellow you can take. Singly y is there, from y is equal to already, I will do x and I know. E power t minus dx. Like this you can do. Can you able to do or not? Any
Yes.
problem?
Yes, sir.
So this is the third chapter. Now what we have done, what is that actually? Second is what? Function of several variable. That is what when you remember, then they suppose u is equal to function of x and y. X is function of t. Y is function of t. Always I told first to last. First to last means what you will get? Single variable is d. Du by dt is equal to dou u by dou x into dx by dt, dou u by dou y into dy by dt. Correct? Suppose u is function of x, y, x is function of r and theta, y also function of r and theta. So what you will do? This is two variables. Means what you will get? Dou u by dou r also you will get. Dou u by dou theta also you will get. Dou u by dou r, tell me. Dou u by dou x by dou r, dou u by dou y by dou r. Clear? Then dou u by dou theta is equal to what? Dou u by dou x by dou theta plus dou u by dou y by d theta. Sir, clear or not?
Yes, sir.
This is the way first. Then next what I given, another thing I given, they will give f of xy is equal to 0. Some function. Then they will ask dy by dx. What is the formula dy by dx?
Minus fx by fy.
Very good. Minus, very good sir, fx by fy. Where fx is equal to what? Dou f by dou x. Fy is equal to what? Sorry. dou f by dou y. Can you able to do or not?
Yes, sir.
Then they will go u is equal to some function of xy. Then where condition the where is function is equal to the from one condition they will go f of xy is equal to 0. Then if you ask dou u by dou x or du by dx means how you will do? Du by dx means what you will do? Dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y into dy by dx. This dy by dx from where you will get? In this condition, this there, this condition you can do dy by dx minus fx by fi. Remember or not? Recall. Sir, clear or not? Hello? Are you there or
Yes.
not?
This one I forgot, sir.
But they will give some condition u is equal to some x square plus y square plus something. Correct? Then they'll where some condition they will go x plus y plus z is equal to 0 like this. One condition they will go. That time they will ask du by dx. Then what you will do? Dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y into dy by dx. But this dy by dx from condition I will find out. How already I know dy by dx. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then next what is there in our chapter what you have taken? Next topic is what? Maximum minima or Lagrange's expansion? Taylor's expansion.
Taylor, sir.
Taylor's. Suppose Taylor's expansion f of xy they will go. Then about origin means what you will do? F of 0 0 plus 1 by 1 factorial into x into what? Fx at 0 0 plus y into fy at 0 0. Then next what you will get? 1 by 2 factorial. You can write a plus b whole square. A square means x square fxx plus 2ab 2xy into fxy plus b square y square into fyy. Correct? At 0 0, these all are understanding at 0 0. Clear? Plus third we will write, tell me up to third degree plus what you will do? 1 by 3 factorial a plus b whole cube formula x cube x then 3a square b 3x square y fxxy plus 3xy square fxyy plus y cube into fyy. Any problem?
No, sir.
Suppose this is at origin. Sometimes what they will ask, expansion at 1 comma 2. Expansion f of xy at 1 comma 2, or this may a question they will ask in powers of x minus 1 and y minus 2. Means what points are 1 comma 2. Suppose 1 comma minus 2 means what you will get power, tell me. X minus 1, y what you will get?
Y plus 2.
That is very, very important. Don't take always plus. Correct? Sometimes directly they will go expand in terms of x minus 1 into y plus 2. Means what? That you understand y is what? Minus 2. Equal to 0. This is the root plus x is equal to 1. This is equal to 0. You will get the points. Suppose a comma b generally available that formula. Tell me f of xy. F of xy at a comma b means what I will get? F of ab plus 1 by 1 factor x relate to a, y relate to b. So x minus a into fx at a comma b plus y minus b into fy at a comma b. Next what you will get? 1 by 2 factorial, tell me what you will get?
1 by 2 factor x minus a the whole square.
X minus a whole square into fxx at a comma b plus 2 into x minus a into y minus b into fxy at a comma b plus what you will get?
y minus b the whole square into fyy at a comma b.
Very good. Then third degree, what you will get? 1 by 3 factorial x minus a whole cube fx xx. Then 3 into x minus a whole square y minus b fx xy. Then 3 into x minus a y minus b whole square fx y. Then y minus b whole cube fy y. Correct? Can you able to do? But these
Yes.
problems so nicely they will go. E power x means what? Next term they don't will have sin y. One is x, one is y. Nicely you will get nicely. Correct? So questions are very easy, only carefully can do. Next, what is the topic we discussed?
Constraints of Lagrange multipliers.
Hey, constraints directly we went. Before that, we nothing we done.
Oh, maximum minima, sir.
Maximum minima. Maximum minima, what you done? Tell me. They will go f of xy. So first, what you will do? F of
Find
xy.
fx,
Find
find f
fx equal to 0. Then fy equal to 0. You will get bunch of points x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, so on. Then what you will do? First step is what? Check RT minus s square greater than 0 at these points. Correct? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. First case.
First you can check RT minus s square is equal to 0. First door open. Suppose if RT minus s square is equal to 0, means RT means what is the meaning? Fxx into fyy minus f of xy whole square. RT minus s square. Correct? If it is greater than 0 means what? Next I will check. If R is greater than 0 means what? Function attains what? RT minus s square greater than 0 always true. If it is there only, I will go for next step. R is greater than 0 I will get. T also I will get the greater than 0. So function attains what?
Minima.
Great means function attains minimum. But what is the minimum value? At that point, f of xy is the minimum. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think 20 pages over. We will start new. One minute, I will come. Okay. Now what I'm telling? Next, suppose again I'm taking another point. I got RT minus s square greater than 0. If R is less than 0 means what I will say? Function attains what? Attains what?
Maxima.
Maxima. What is the maximum means what? F of xy is maximum. Correct? Suppose RT minus s square is less than 0. Immediately what you will say?
Saddle point, neither
These
maxima nor
points are
minima.
functions. So function attains neither maxima nor minima. These points are called saddle points. Clear? Okay, suppose RT minus S square is equal to 0, we go for the further investigation. That's not there in your level. Clear? Any problem? Sir?
No, sir.
No,
But
sir.
you have to open the book and you have to read. At notes, I will send you PDF notes. I think so. I'm forgetting it. Evening, anyone you can send me message, sir. After 5:30, 6 o'clock, you can send me. I will reach any my home 6:15. And come my desktop PDF notes are there. I want to tell you, I'm forgetting. I will send you function of server variable and ODE notes. Okay. In classroom, I will add. At least you will see questions. You will get variety type of questions for practicing. Anyone you can send me message, sir. Need of notes like this. Correct? Daily I'm forgetting. Everyone send us no problem. Notes like this. Unit 2 and 3. I will send you PDF notes. And what is there next? Next is what? Lagranges. Lagranges means what? So they will go function maxima minima and one given condition they will go lambda g. This is equal to auxiliary function capital F. Then what you will do? How they will have, you see, the find the maximum volume of rectangular box inscribed in a ellipsoid. So ellipsoid is the condition. So when you put in the boxes is what there's a maximum volume of what is asking. Then when the rectangular box inscribed in a sphere, prove that it's a cuboid. If you put in a boxes type different types of the box, when you will get maximum volume when it says become cube, that you have to prove. Then one top is open. What is the find the surface? The given surface means surface you can take as a g. G is given function. F is what? To find what is the maxima minima. So constraints how we will do? Dou f by dou x plus lambda into dou z by dou x is equal to dou f by dou x. That is equal to 0 means what? This fellow becomes 0. Lambda into dou z by dou x is equal to 0. Similarly, dou f by dou y is equal to 0 means what? Dou f by dou y plus lambda into dou z by dou y is equal to 0. Similarly, dou f by dou z is equal to 0 means what? Dou f by z. From this, you can remove lambda, then find x, y, z. Can you able to do or not? Clear? Say
Yes,
yes
sir.
or no, sir.
Clear, sir.
Sleeping, I think, all of you.
Yes,
So,
sir. We can do.
No, clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
2 units revised, but you have the skeleton only. What you will do? Now go home and at least when is your exam? Already you are at home only. When is your
Tuesday,
exam?
sir.
Huh? By Tuesday, you are preparing well actually. If you have any doubt, you can call me anytime on 2 units. Suppose if I am not the pick the phone means for somewhere I will go here and there roaming means what inside. If I go home, I will never touch the mobile. This I don't keep in my pocket. Again, I will see the phone. I will call you back. At least you can text me. Sir, doubt like this. Again, I will come back at any time. No problem. Okay. First, you can prepare well. Already you join late. Don't waste time. Internal marks are very, very important. Again and again, I am telling. Correct. For getting good, actually good grade, internal marks are important. Anyway, external marks if you read good, but this will be help you a lot. Both you can do nicely. That is my suggestion. So don't swine. Maybe anyway you will get for final test, maybe a campus test. So you should carefully how to prepare. Don't try to copy down. Don't try exit. What you know you can write. Then nothing will happen. Try to do yourself. At least you will realize where you are standing. That is important. Okay, I'm not able to study means what? Next time you can read well. So like this you can prepare. That is the best. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay or not?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
So
Okay,
sir.
sir.
so
Yes, sir. சார்
full
சிடி1 மார்க்ஸ் என்ட்ரு பண்ணுங்க சார்.
பண்ணிட்டானே.
சார் எனக்கு ரொம்ப கம்மியா இருக்கு சார். 1.60 தான் சார் இருக்குது.
நான் எவனா எதுவுமே எழுதிருக்க மாட்டப்போ.
சார் நான் எல்லாமே 1 மார்க்லாம் எழுதிட்டு ஒரு 4 மார்க் அப்லோட் பண்ணியிருந்தேன் சார். பட் எல்லா 1 மார்க்குமே
பாரு
தான் சார் தப்பா
நீ
இருக்கு.
உன்னோட பார்க்கலாமே உன்னோட மார்க்கில் பார்க்கலாம். அது இப்போ ஒன்னா சொல்லி அது ஆல்ரெடி உடனே சொல்லியிருக்கலாம் இல்லையா? பார்த்தோன்னே இப்போ சொல்லி ஆல்ரெடி க்ளோஸ் ஆயிருக்கும். ஏதாவது டிஸ்கிரமன்சி இருந்தால் பார்த்தோன்னே சொல்லலாம். அதுக்கு ஆல்ரெடி எக்ஸ்ட்ரா டைம் ஒரே நாள் கொடுத்தாங்க.
ஓகே
இந்த
சார்.
நம்பர் இன்னொரு நம்பர் என்ன?
134 சார்.
134. I will check. Okay, I will see. Okay, maybe இப்போ ஓபன் பண்ண
ஓகே
மாட்டாங்க.
சார்.
We'll see. I'll see anyway. I'll check actually. That's why if any discrepancy means what, immediately can inform me. That is always best. So only
சார் நேத்து தான்
120.
சார் அட்டனன்ஸ் பார்த்தப்போ நேத்து தான் பார்த்தேன், ரொம்ப கம்மியா இருந்துச்சு, அதான் சார்
அப்ப பாரு, இப்போ இவ்வளவு நேரம் நேத்து கூட பார்க்காம இருந்திருக்கலாம். நீ ஏன் பார்த்தா? எது இருந்தாலும் உடனே பார்த்துக்கணும். நான் என்ன சொன்னேன், அந்த ஒரு நாள் தான் டைம் சொன்னேன். ஆல்ரெடி கிளாஸ்ல இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிட்டேன், உங்களுக்கு மார்க் போட்டு செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நீ சரி பார்க்கலாம், நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் என்ன பண்றது. நான் இனிமே நான் செக் பண்றேன் உனக்கு. ஓகே, சப்போஸ் ஏதாவது பாசிட்டிவ் கேட்கலாம் நம்ம, ஏன்னா ஓப்பன் ஆகாது. நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் ஏதாவது வந்து பார்த்துக்கலாம் நம்ம. ஓகே, அதுதான் உடனே நான் போஸ்ட் பண்ணோடனே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுவான். Check your marks and any discrepancy inform me. Next time also you can do like this. Okay. Then, so all are present, sir. I think so everyone present. Then I will stop. Actually, I am not started fourth unit. Clear? So do well. Next class anyway I will start fourth unit.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye, all of you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.